Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Name on the hoof. A moral story: do not get carried away by sweet talk. A fox and a wolf were good friends. They hunted for food together. One day, they saw a horse. They planned to attack it. The fox said to the horse, "Sir, you are so smart, may I know your name?" The horse said, "My name is written on my hoofs. You can bend down and have a look." The farmer wrote it there. The clever fox suspected something was wrong. He wondered how the horse did not know his own name. The fox said, "My parents were poor. Hence, I never learned to read. But my friend, the wolf here, can both read and write. He is such a bright animal. I will ask him to read your name and tell me." The wolf was pleased with the sweet talk of the fox. He at once went to look at the horse's hoofs. When he bent, the horse kicked him hard and then galloped off.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.